Assalamu alaikum. I am Asma Mushtaq, a student of class 10 from Sanctorum Higher Secondary School, Sopore. As everybody is aware of the current situation of the whole world is facing a pandemic disease, that is the COVID-19. And due to this disease, every aspect of human life have been affected. Talking about the education sector in particular, it has been suffering a lot due to these crises. Students all over the world, they are attending their online classes to overcome the educational loss. But we are the students of Kashmir and we are still suffering because of the restrictions which have been imposed on the high-speed internet. It has been only a few months for the people living in other parts of the world. They have been locked down since 2 months. But here in Kashmir, we have been locked down since 10 months. We don't have access to high-speed internet here. We don't have access to online education here. We have been locked down since 4th of August. Currently, I'm a student of class 10th and till now I have got 3 mass promotions, which means that I have only qualified 6 classes by proper examination. Now you can yourself imagine the educational scenario of our valley, educational scenario of our UT. If we talk about the authorities of J&K, they are taking huge steps to distribute ration among the needy, among the people of the UT, but they are not taking any serious step for the restoration of the 4G internet so that the students can study, so that the students can overcome their academic loss. I know that ration is a necessity, but at the same time, our education is also a necessity. Without education, we have a very, very dull future. We have a very dark future, and we cannot dream big without education. And talking about the Supreme Court, the hearings for the restoration of 4G internet in Supreme Court are being postponed every single time. Now, I want to question that why is this happening? Do they really have time for us, or do they really care for us? If we talk about the teachers of our valley, they are trying their best, they are trying their level best to provide us with the online material, online study material, but we are not able to access that because of the low speed internet. So it's my humble request to the Honorable Governor of our UT and especially the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Narendra Modi, to please restore 4G internet in our valley so that we can continue our studies and give us right to compulsory education. So at last, stay home, stay safe and provide us with 4G so that we can study as well.